What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, or as always, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today is car maintenance day at my house. Just changed the oil on the Jeep. I'm actually changing the spark plugs on the truck, which has 307,000 miles on it now. Don't know how long it's been since these have been changed, so this might be fun. It's not really acting too weird, but got the check engine light on. Kind of acts like it's wanting to misfire a little bit sometimes, so best way I know how to fix things is just throw parts and money at it and hope it fixes it. So I'll get to pulling those off and we'll see what they look like. Alright guys, so I just got all the spark plugs out. I wasn't really gonna bore anybody with recording that because if you know anything about these old trucks, the two in the back are a little bit of a pain, but you just work around that. It's not all that bad. But after looking at these spark plugs, I could almost bet money that they're factory. Look at these things. So these are from the driver's side. Just look at that. And you come over here, and these are all the passenger side. There is almost nothing left. They're AC Delco, which, you know, they use from the factory. And you got these guys, which half tore apart as I was taking them off. And these look 100 years old. So, I don't know. I'm almost thinking they were factory. So, I don't know. The truck still ran. I don't know how. It ran fairly decent. So I'm going to go ahead and throw those new plugs and wires in here, gap them all. I don't think they're gapped yet, but I'll get that and, I don't know, fire it up and show you guys how it does. And real quick guys, just for reference, I want to show you, this is the old spark plug, and this is what it should look like. So I mean, anybody who knows anything about spark plugs knows, but just in case you guys don't, this is definitely a bad spark plug. Like I said, I have no idea how this truck was running, but hey, it was running, so hopefully these will make it run a lot better. And now also I'm going to compare wires real quick, because this is the old ripped, gross. That's what went on the spark plug. Throw that out. And this is what went to the coil pack. See that? Throw that out. And this is the new ones we got. They're Blue Streak. I don't really know anything about that brand, but got them off Rock Auto. That's where I got all this stuff, spark plugs, everything like that. That's normally where I get everything to fix my cars. It's fairly cheap. No, I'm not sponsored by them, but that's just, if you're looking for the link for any of this stuff, go to Rock Auto, type in your car gear, everything like that, and it'll pop up. So I got passenger side done. I'm gonna start on this, but first I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the passenger side so that one will all be buttoned up, and then when I come back I should be starting this thing, and I don't know, I'll see how it goes. Hopefully it runs a lot better. Alright guys, so I got the new plugs in, the correct plug wires on now, and I'm gonna fire it up and see what she does. It started up a little easier that time. Let's take it on a ride, see what she does. Here we are. Initial drive. See how she does. Like I said, it definitely started up a whole lot better. But I kind of want to see if it has any more get up. Not really. I didn't really mash on it though either. I don't really like to do that, especially because I don't know really how much longer this trans is going to last. But I'll whip around and try to get it. not terrible. I never really got on it before, so it's not really like I can make all that great of a comparison. But it definitely starts better. I guess that's really all I wanted out of it, but like I said, those spark plugs needed to be changed. Hopefully it was causing a misfire, and that's hopefully why my check engine light's on. I don't have a code scanner or anything that can hook up to this truck, so I can't read it. And yes, I know O'Reilly's in advance does all that, but I just haven't really had time to go out there and actually scan codes. So I'm back home now. That's gonna be the end of this video, guys. I just kind of wanted to show you that, and we had a little bit of a crazy surprise, at least to me, that the factory spark plugs, I'm almost positive were factory, don't quote me on that, but the factory spark plugs and factory wires were still in the truck after 307,000 miles. Whether or not that was my problem, I don't know, but they definitely need to be changed. Like I said, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you like this kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, hit that like button. It helps out a lot, gets my videos in front of more people, and I really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.